Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. See how to use My San Jac as your one-stop shop for all of your student info. My San Jac is a portal for current students and accepted applicants to connect to everything important in their college journey. Where do you find My San Jac? 1. On the main web page for San Jacinto College, click the My San Jac portal button. 2. From your web browser, enter the URL, my.sanjac.edu. Or 3. Download the mobile app, My San Jac, from the App Store or Google Play. This is the initial page for the My San Jac portal. This is called the unauthenticated or visitor view, with a login option at the top. From here, prospective students, parents, and other guests can see some general information. This includes San Jac's main social media feeds, the events calendar for the college, and various shortcuts called tools, pages, and quick links cards. So, who can use My San Jac? If you are currently enrolled at San Jacinto College, or your application status is accepted, click the login link. Then log in with your San Jac student email and password using the format last name. First initial the last 6 numbers of your G number, followed by stu.sanjac.edu. The first time you log into My San Jac, you'll see this onboarding dialog box. Although you can skip it, it will reappear each time you use the portal until you complete the 30-second animation. Let's get started. Menu. Use this button to open and hide the menu. Tools. Tools are personalized links that give you one-click access to other systems and apps at San Jacinto. We've added some important tools to your menu, but you can always click on the Tools heading to explore more. Groups. Groups connect you with relevant announcements, conversations, events and resources at San Jacinto. You've already been added to some groups, and you can find more via Discover or by clicking on the Groups heading. Pages. Pages connect you with other websites and information at San Jacinto. The most important pages appear in your menu, and you can quickly find pages or anything else on My San Jac by simply searching for it. Profile. Add information to your profile so staff and students at San Jacinto can get to know you. You can control your profile visibility from your account settings. Account settings. You can control your privacy settings via the Privacy tab in Account Settings. Search. Search is a simple and powerful way to access everything available to you within San Jacinto. You can search for groups, pages, tools, events, people, files, and posts. Now, click Finish to return to the main dashboard. Let's look at a couple of navigation differences between using the web and the mobile app. 1. The web app defaults to show the full menu, but you can click the menu button to hide it. On the mobile app, the menu is hidden. Click the menu button, and it slides in from the left so you can click an option and then it slides out again. 2. Widgets are the main part of the dashboard. The web app defaults to display these items fully expanded. The mobile app displays each widget with a title and icon on a small tile. Click a tile and the selected widget appears fully expanded. The Help button floats in the lower right corner of the portal. If needed, click the Help button. The Help button opens the About My San Jac portal web page. It has reference materials, FAQs, tips, how-tos, and help contact information. Wherever you are in the portal, click the dashboard icon on the menu to return to the home page. Next, we'll look at the dashboard features. Click the eye icon for information specific to the admissions widget. Scroll through the admissions information pane. Click the eye icon again to close the info pane. At the top of the widget, click the term field. If you applied for more than one term at SanJac, each application term will display in a drop-down list. Click the desired term from the list to view that admissions checklist. Based on what you entered on your application, corresponding items appear in the checklist. Scroll through your personalized list to see what has been received and what is missing to complete the admissions process. If needed, click the View Admissions Summary button at the bottom of the widget. My San Jac uses single sign-on to let you access other software systems at the college. In this example, it opens SOS and displays your checklist, Processed Applications page. Select the desired admissions term. Review the admissions application summary page. When you are done, close this page to return to the My San Jac portal. Each widget has a collapse/expand icon in the corner. To customize your dashboard, make changes whenever you like. Each time you use the portal, the system remembers your latest choices and shows your dashboard with the appropriate widgets collapsed or expanded. Just like the admissions checklist, click the eye icon for information specific to the My Financial Aid checklist widget. Scroll through the Financial Aid information pane. Click the eye icon again to close the info pane. At the top of the widget, click the aid year field. If you applied for more than one financial aid year at SanJac, each aid year will display in a drop-down list. Click the desired aid year from the list to view that financial aid checklist. Scroll through this checklist to see if your financial aid application was received and requirements were met, if you have financial aid satisfactory academic progress, and your overall pass rate to remain eligible for aid. If needed, click the View Financial Aid Summary button at the bottom of the widget. My San Jac uses single sign-on, SSO, to open SOS and display your financial aid summary page. When you are done, close this page to return to the My San Jac portal. Let's check out more dashboard widgets. 24 hours after you register and pay for classes, they appear in Blackboard. The Blackboard widget in My San Jac connects directly to the Blackboard system and displays your courses for the term. Click any course listed in the Blackboard widget. With single sign-on, Blackboard opens to the selected course page. Click the Open Blackboard button at the bottom of the widget. The main Blackboard homepage appears in a new tab to use as needed. When ready, return to My San Jac. The Student Schedule widget displays class details from the banner student system like, the term or part of term start and end dates, days of the week the class is held, class start and end times, location, and the primary instructor. Click an instructor name in the Schedule widget. Through single sign-on, your SanJac email account opens so you can easily contact the class instructor. In the My Academic Plan widget, click the information icon. If needed, click the 6-drop course link. The 6-drop course limit process web page appears. Review the details, then return to the portal. Click the eye icon again to close the info pane. Use the My Academic Plan widget to see your SanJac overall GPA, the number of drops remaining, your program of study, and your academic standing. You can also click the View Degree Evaluation button. It opens My SanJac GPS to view progress on your program plan. Once you get your SanJac Office account, the Office 365 widget displays email and file tabs. See any recent emails and click See All Emails to quickly go to your SanJac Outlook account. Click the Files tab. See any recent files, and click See All Files to go to your SanJac OneDrive account. Scroll down to see the rest of the dashboard widgets. While inside the portal, you can check out the main SanJac calendar, Instagram, and Twitter widgets. Click a post and that social media platform opens. If needed, then you can log into your personal social media account. The bottom graphics are quick link cards. Each card can hold up to 3 quick links. Click or hover over the commencement card to see and use a link. Click or hover over the readmission card to see and use a link. Click or hover over the transcripts card to see and use a link. Below the dashboard or home button, click the activity menu link. The activity feed is a one-stop view of all your tasks, announcements, notifications, alerts, connections, etc. Click the Tasks menu link. The task page shows assigned system tasks that require action, such as a registration hold. You can also create your own tasks here. Click the Add Task button. Enter a task title. Enter a task description. If needed, add task details like importance level and due date. You can also add reminder notifications and pop-up reminders. Click the Add button. When you finish a current task, click the Mark as Complete link for that item. On the Completed Tasks tab, you can review old tasks, mark an item incomplete, and use task options to edit or delete a task. Click the Announcements menu link. Important student messages are listed on the Announcements page. Click the Discover menu link. Use the Discover page to find groups, events, and people. Click the Events and Calendars menu link. This page is a different view of the events on the SanJac calendar widget. Now let's look at Tools. In the Tools section, shortcuts to other systems and external web pages are organized into categories. Try the Admissions and Aid category. When you expand a tool category, more tools display. For example, if you're eligible to register for classes, click the registration link. Here's another example of single sign-on convenience that launches your SOS account and takes you to the registration instruction page. Need to look at your student account summary? Click the Make a Payment tool. SSO accesses your student account in TouchNet. In this example, click the View Activity button. On the Account Activity page, select an enrollment term to view detailed charges and credits for that term. Click the Tools View All link. The All Tools page displays all tool categories at once to make it easier to explore. Expand the Academic Support category. Expand as many tool categories as you need. Expand the Tech Tools category. You can also use the All Tools page to create favorites. If you click a star icon, the tool is added to your Shortcuts menu. In My SanJac, the Group feature is a way to connect users with information about the group, its members, and group announcements, events, and discussion boards. If your SanJac student record indicates you are a dual credit, honors program, international, or veteran student, you are automatically a member of that group and will see it in your group's menu. A few groups have also been created where a student can volunteer to join that group. This includes Transfer Intense, Mosaic Program, and Promise Program groups. From the Groups section of the menu, click the View All link. The All Groups page shows any group where you are currently a member, plus groups you can voluntarily join. In this example, click the Mosaic Program to view that group. The group displays a web page with more details/info about the group. If desired, click the Join Group button. The Join Group button disappears, and the number of group members appears. Click the Discussion tab. On the discussion page, group members can add posts to ask questions and share information. Group admins can also post announcements here. Click the Info tab. On the Info page, group members can see the short group description, contact info, group admins, and current members. Click the Events tab. Use the Events tab to view or join group events. Click the Resources tab. On the Resources page, group members can use any folders, files and links the group administrator has added. Click the Mosaic Program tab to return to the group page. In the portal, you can create favorites wherever you see the star. Click the Add to Shortcuts star icon. This group is now a shortcut. If needed, click the Remove from Shortcuts gold star. Now, let's look at pages. In the Pages section, web pages stored inside the portal are organized into categories. Scroll for a better view of the Pages menu. Expand the Academic Support category. Click the Student Records and Transcripts link. At the top of the portal web page, click the Add to Shortcuts star icon. Click the Pages View All link. All Pages displays all page categories at once to make it easier to explore. Expand as many page categories as you need. You can also use this page to create favorites. If you click a star icon, the page is added to your Shortcuts menu. Click the Mental Health Support Services page to open it. Here's another navigation trick. Click the All Pages breadcrumb at the top of the web page. The All Pages view reappears. On the left menu, notice the Shortcuts section has several items. If needed, click the Edit link to delete any or drag and drop shortcuts to change the order. To use the search feature, click in the search bar. Select one of the categories that appear, or ignore them and enter your keyword/phrase to search everywhere. In this example, enter transcript in the search field. Potential matches will appear as you type. Select one, or click the View All Results button. Results with a question icon are frequently asked questions and answers. You can also click any search category to filter the search results by that type. Start a new search, but this time, click the People button first. Now the portal will only search for potential people matches. Enter Test D in the search field. Click the Test Portal Test link. The selected person's profile page shows any background information they've added, plus Message and Connect buttons. Click the Connect button. In the top right corner, click User Options. Click My Connections from the drop-down list. On the My Connections page, see your current connections and message them through the portal. On the Received page, accept or ignore connection requests from others. On the Send page, review or cancel your pending connection requests to others. On the Suggestions page, see any potential connections based on portal activity. To manage your portal messages, click the Messages icon. From the drop-down, you can 1. Click the New Message, plus, icon. 2. Click an unread message to view it and send a reply. And 3. Click the See All button to review and manage messages. The rest of this section will review the User Options menu. To start, click User Options. Click View Profile. Click the Edit Profile button. Scroll and edit your profile details here. When done, click the Save Changes button. My Connections was covered earlier, so, from the User Options menu, click Account Settings. In addition to general settings, here you can also adjust privacy settings, like who can see your profile info, and notification settings, such as getting a notification, push, and/or email when an event changes. As shown earlier, the Help button in the bottom corner launches the portal web page about My San Jac. From the User Options menu, click Help Center. The main San Jac ITS website opens in a new tab. Let's return to My San Jac. From the User Options menu, click Log Out to end your session on a public device. You can stay logged in on your private device, but will need to log in again every 30 days. For accessibility, SanJac is using the Lite theme. This completes the My SanJac student tutorial. If you can't log into the portal, use the Forgotten Password page. If you still can't log in, contact tech support. If you log in but think that widgets are missing or wrong, contact tech support and they will route integration issues to the ITS development team, and student account issues to the Title V iPass team. Additional resources are on the About My SanJac portal webpage.